If you want to go viral on YouTube Shorts without getting lucky, you need to make sure that you're implementing the 3 things that I'm about to share with you in this video because it's simple. If you're not doing these 3 things or you're skipping just one of these things, it's the reason that you're not going viral on YouTube Shorts right now during, quite frankly, the easiest time ever to go viral. And viral could mean getting 100,000 views, 1 million views, 100 million views. And you might think that that's crazy, but I literally just helped this creator get over 100 million views on several posts. And I helped this creator get over 5 million views simply by implementing the tips that I'm about to share with you in this video. And it's really not just about making sure that you're doing all 3 of these things, but you need to make sure that you're not avoiding doing any of them, because failing to do one of these is going to be the reason that you're not getting the views that you want right now. But before we dive into that, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. So the first thing that you need to make sure that you're doing, and all big creators understand this, is that the idea that you're going to be posting about is everything when it comes to YouTube. And you could be talking about the same exact topic, the same exact thing, but if the idea or your take on it is completely different, well then guess what? You're just not going to get as many views. And that is one of the biggest mistakes that I see small channels making right now. They're not actually qualifying their video idea. They'll just film the video and then they come up with a title, they come up with a thumbnail, they come up with a description, and that's not how it should be done. Instead, you need to know the thumbnail of your video, you need to know the title of your video before you ever end up creating a video. And you're probably wondering, Rob, but how could I possibly do that? The way that you're going to do that is you need to determine one of 2 things. Either your video is going to be trend jacking something, or your video is going to be something that people search for. If it's something that people search for, you need to search for that actual topic either on YouTube, or you need to use today's video sponsor, vidIQ, which is going to make it incredibly easy for you to know what is trending within your niche and what people are searching for within your niche. In fact, I never create a video on YouTube without using vidIQ, and I literally say that vidIQ is the thing that got me over 500,000 subscribers, because I get about 100,000 views every 48 hours at least on YouTube, and that wouldn't have happened if I never ranked for search, and I would have never ranked for search had I not used vidIQ. The reason being is because if you go on vidIQ and you search for a keyword, you're going to see the other videos that are trending for that. And what does this do? It allows you to know what you need to make your post better than. So go to the link in the pinned comment below and sign up right now for vidIQ. You can literally get started today for just $1. Go to the link in the pinned comment below and get that right now. So essentially what it's going to allow you to do, it's going to allow you to compare your content to the other content it's going to be competing against. Because if you think about it, YouTube is one big competition. If you post a video about Minecraft, or somebody else posts a video about Minecraft, or you post a video about fashion or H&M or whatever the case is, what do you think is going to happen? You're going to be competing with those other people. So you need to make sure of a few things. First and foremost, that your video idea can actually get 100,000 views, 1 million views, 5 million views. If nobody has ever created a video on that subject and gotten that many views, you're probably not going to be the person that does it. So I strongly suggest that you move on and come up with a better topic or come up with a better title idea. The second thing you need to make sure that you're doing, you need to either go into YouTube search or go into vidIQ and see what other videos are trending. If your video's title and your video's thumbnail are not better than the other things that are trending, well, that's why you're not getting the views that you want on YouTube, or you're skipping one of the next 2 things that I'm about to share with you. And that second thing is that you need to be focused on the first 3 seconds of your video. Besides the video idea, the first 3 seconds is going to determine whether or not people actually end up watching that video. The idea, the title, the thumbnail, that's going to decide whether or not YouTube knows who to show the content to. But if you mess up in the first 3 seconds by not intriguing people, not getting them ticked off, not getting them really interested in what you're going to be posting about, well then that's the reason that you're not getting views. Because if more than 20% of people, really more than 15% of people, are just swiping away when they see your video is not going to last that long in the shorts feed. And if you go to a lot of your videos, I bet that not more than 80% of people are viewing your video, and that is why your videos are dying out at 2,500 views, at 1,000 views, at 250 views. So you need to make sure that you're adjusting that. And the way that you adjust that is by focusing on the hook in your video. The 30 to 60 second mark matters nowhere near as much as the 0 to 3 second mark, because if people don't stick around for that, they're not going to ever make it to 30 seconds into the video, which is why you need to be putting all of your effort into the first 3 seconds. And similar to the title and thumbnail, where you should be comparing yourself to the competition, you should do the same exact thing for the hooks of your videos. You should know what hooks other people use. You should know the script, you should know the visualization, you should know the pacing of the video, and then you need to make sure that your video is comparable, but ideally your video needs to be better, because if it's not better, well then YouTube's not going to push it out. They're going to push out your competitor's video. And then the final thing that you need to make sure that you're doing, and this is incredibly important, and there's no way for you to actually come up with this, so you're gonna have to do some thinking on your own. You need to think to yourself, what's the last thing that you shared to somebody on social media? What's the last thing somebody shared to you on social media? And what do you think people in your niche would want to share with each other? And if your video does not meet that criteria, well then it's probably not gonna go viral, because at the end of the day, all these algorithms do, the YouTube algorithm, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all they do is serve content to people that are going to be interested in it. And one of the best ways for them to know whether or not they should serve that content to more people in the fitness niche, in the fashion niche, is going to be them being able to determine whether or not those people are doing that on their own. Because getting your video shared is what's going to take it from 1 view to 2 to 4 to 8 to 16. You guys get where I'm going here. It's going to cause exponential growth, and that is what's actually going to make your video go viral. Now, if you want to get guaranteed subscribers on YouTube right now, well then please keep watching this video, because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now, because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.